y'all, in today's video I'm going to be making mac and cheese. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of milk, 1 stick of butter divided in half, 2 cups of cheese, 1 pack of 8-ounce cream cheese, and then 1 pound of elbow pasta noodles. Start by boiling some water. In another pan, we're gonna start our sauce. So we're gonna add the milk, the cream, and we're gonna open up the cream cheese. And we're gonna melt the cream cheese in there. And we're gonna add the cheese. So now that the water is boiling, you're gonna dump in your pasta. And once your noodles are done cooking, you're gonna shut off the heat and drain them. After the cheese has melted, I'm gonna grab half a stick of butter and I'm gonna put it in and let that melt. So now I'm gonna throw the cheese sauce in the noodles. I'm gonna mix it all up. And let it reduce a little bit in the noodles. While it's reducing, I'm gonna add the other stick of butter. Let that melt in there. Here's the finished product.